Oscar Dola. Ayo pitasi. Yeah, magai. Cara kini dalala. Dr. Magdalena. Aduh, Ilori juanda nenango nga odio ke kiwero minuko. Ilori juanda nenango nga odio ke. Official also in the vibe. Keep on watching guys. Maka Mugenda Manga also in the vibe. I see Nyaro Senge Tonadi Nyaro Senge Kajangal. How you guys? It's a very special evening. My name is Maka playing traditional instrument. I see Ruth Uri. I see Mark Anthony Lina. Anthony Lina. Have you seen triple? Antonilina, have you seen a tripola? I go beyond to it, close to it. Mako biaduge Anya close to edge Mako Binena Lina Ayelina Odera Stella close to edge Have you seen my guy? Beautiful close to edge Kayure Roba Kayure Kayure Mako Kayura Wacha Kayure Triple Kayure Kayure Binyongin Kalaya Kayure Have you seen my dear? Lost to touch Hard work of this Good Get done Get done Lina Benjalina Ay Close to earth How you doing, guys? I really appreciate your evening. This side is evening. My name's Maka. I see observe ordinary. Also in the vibe. My name's Maka Mugenda. Close to edge. I really appreciate your time. I'm on also in the vibe, guys. I see his links also on the vibe. Keep on watching. I see Dr. Goldfront, the only doctor I know. Jesus is my Lord, Savior. Morning from Colorado, praying. Guardian with you over your tomorrow always. Thank you so much, Jesus. I see my guys. Keep on watching. The instrument itself is called nyatiti. It is a low traditional instrument, guys. If you like the vibe, subscribe. Also, there's a super chat for those who are watching on super chat on YouTube, guys. You can donate in super chat or PayPal. Good spirit and vibe. Thank you so much. I see close to age. Assalamu alaikum. How you guys are? Dagotia all blue, yes. That's my M-Pesa number, my phone number. Dagota, where are you watching from? So that I can give you the code. Bagaskara ya katungo chai Bagaskara bendebuto agota los tupija venyago today aye dagod the jumbo The dabbing boy. The dabbing boy. Ah, the dabbing boy. Dabbing boy. Rula Brown, yeah. The mother pinja. Agaskara. The mother pinja. Engineer, are you? Oh, engineer, are you about to? Oh, engineer, are you about to? Are you here? Are you here? Susanne, you. Have you seen Susanne? The tapping point also on the vibe. Engineer, you also on the vibe. Oh, yeah. You here. Oh, yeah. You here. Tapping point there. Good welder also on the vibe. Are you here? Jelmo! I don't come by. Are you here? It's a vibe. Keep on watching, guys. I really appreciate your time. Everyone who is watching. My name is Maka Mugenda. I see Surfing Target. Beautiful Surfing Target. Also in the vibe. Engineer, are you the only are you I know? Wow. Engineer, where are you watching from, my guy? I see there's a beautiful Wewe. Galele. Yeah, guys. So keep on watching. I really appreciate your time. It's Maka Mugenda. Let's continue the vibe. Burudia. Nerudia, you are you? Are you? Are you go happy, man? Are you engineer? Are you go happy, my brother? Johnny Mwimbi, are you here? Oh, engineer, you. Oh, engineer, you. Kijana wa Kenya, are you? Paulo, are you here? Nimcheze gambarani, wacha nimwite gambarani. Oh, engineer, oh, engineer. Yo pinyu penyaga penya, people ask me, Maka, why I'm singing to you. Tango, I have been you. Have you seen Cedrico? Soldier wanna see engineer. You been ah, you yeah. Oh Pablo, oh Pablo, wagone tumbi you. Ipanane, soldadio, engineer number one. Have you seen Woodward? Woodward Duanene, ayo, engineer you, Kulawaya, don't kabiti, Paulo Baba, yeah. Yogi Tunandeno Ayude Il Frosty If you wanna know Ayu If you wanna see Ayu yeah Ayu from Emirates Kenya number one Kenya Lizzy Billy Lizzy Billy ha ha you oh Baba. Have you seen a Billy Francis? Cedrico ha ha there Ali Paulo you Johnny Fisher I know how you did Kid says yes on the vibe. Are you? Niaje. I'm really appreciate you. I appreciate your time. Everyone who is watching. So Mokema is a vibe on instrument. I see Ayu Baba. Ama uko na maneno. What's Fisher? How are you? I don't see the comment on YouTube side. How will I do it? What's happening? Sina mneno bana. Sasa nikule sapa ama nikule lunch. Lunch ilishapita huku bwana. Guys, I'm really sorry, just let me